Every now and then I get a little bit lonely and you're never around.
Turn around.
Energy!
Every now and then I get a little bit tired of listening to the sound of my tears.
More power!
I'm a bit nervous, not the best of all the music that matters.
Turn around.
Seryoso ba yan? Kailangan ba namin
Look in your eyes.
Turn around, bright eyes.
Every now and then I fall.
Turn around, bright eyes.
Every now and then I fall.
I need you more tonight.
Replace mo si Gracie.
Need you more than ever.
Kumanta na si Gracie kanina.
No, forever. And we'll only be making it right.
'Cause we'll never be wrong. Together we can take it to the end of the line. Her love is like a shadow me all the time. I don't know what to do when I'm always in the dark. We're living in the dark and giving up a smile.
Siya lang ah.
You tonight.
Forever's gonna start tonight. Forever's gonna start.
Once upon a time I was falling in love, but now I'm only falling apart.
Bukas yan. Bawal yan.
It's not a
Hindi alam ni Commander ito ha. Please.
Lalayaan ka ba?
O, nagpa-plug na si Mr. Villanueva nakikiusap. Huwag po
Dapat na! Ulit si Sir Christian naman, saka si Miss Lisel.
Ikaw parang kikita si Loren.
Oo, dapat si Sir Christian, di pa siya nakakanta.
Hindi, nakita ko na yung scandal ko ng Christmas party.